Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you two fixes for the problems which are alert exclamation mark, CPU 0 fan failure and time of day not set. Please run setup program. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Azam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that this is the computer on which I am facing the problem, which is invalid configuration information. Please run setup program. Time hyphen of hyphen day not set dash please run setup program. Alert exclamation mark CPU 0 fan failure. To continue, press F1 key. To change setup option, press F2 key. To run onboard diagnostics, press F5 key. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is shut down the system completely or hard shutdown. I will then switch off the lead by pressing its power button. If your lead does not have a power button, just unplug it. Then I will remove the left panel of the CPU casing. In your case, the removable panel might be in a different place on the CPU casing. Just look for it. If you are facing this problem on laptop, then make sure it is hard shut down and the charger is unplugged. Then remove the bottom panel of the laptop. Now in my case, you can see at the right side the white fan blade is touching wires. You can see, due to which error shows up, which is alert exclamation mark CPU 0 fan failure. As I turn on the power to the lead, the right side fan blade is touching wires, due to which it is not rotating. So to fix this, what I will do is again power off the lead and then turn the front side of the fan to the back. You will then see that the fan will start rotating. Now if I turn on the power to the lead again, you will see that the fan will start rotating, which is at the right side. You can see it's now rotating. Now if I see the monitor screen, you will see that the alert exclamation mark CPU 0 fan failure problem will be fixed. Viewers, you can see that the alert exclamation mark CPU 0 fan failure problem has been fixed. Now the second problem which needs to be fixed is time of day not set. Please run setup program. What you have to do is press F2 key. Then I will go to date and time, and then you can see that the month, day and year are not correct. I will correct them. You can see on the smartphone screen the day, month is showing up and the year is 2025. So what I will do is change the month, date and year to May 31, 2025. So May is the 5th month, so I'll select it as 05. Now I will set the time to the time which is showing up on my smartphone screen. After adjusting the time, I will exit this interface, and now you will see that the computer will start properly. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.